Welcome back. Chef Will is here, guys. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys staying safe and blessed. I'm making some cocktail chicken wings today, guys. I just get the chicken. I tried this with chicken wings before. Never tried it with drumstick. So I'm gonna use some drumstick. The way I cut it, I take the skin off and the tip of the bone right here, and just fold the chicken right over. So you just cut it right here and get the skin right off and fold the chicken wing. All right, that piece of main bone right here, you got to take it off. So that's what we're doing. All right, so these are washed with fresh lemon juice and vinegar and ready to season. All right, so I'm just gonna show you guys. So these are really great if you have a nice party and you want to serve these with some, because they're going to be deep fried. If you want to serve it with some sweet chili sauce, sweet pineapple chili, whatever you like, plum sauce, these are great to put on a nice platter, and your party will be shot. All right, so remove this gloves because I'm touching that chicken. So here I got some spices, mustard powder and paprika, a little bit of cayenne pepper, and some garlic powder and onion powder. I just did a tablespoon each. For the cayenne pepper is just a quarter of a teaspoon. I don't want it too spicy. This is gonna be going inside the flour right here. I just have 2.5 cups of flour right there. And this spice here is a tablespoon of chicken spice and tablespoon of garlic powder and onion powder and a teaspoon of paprika. And I'm gonna put this right on the chicken right here. I got about 6 drumsticks in here, guys, and a few other pieces of the chicken thighs. And I also have 3 eggs right here and half a cup of cream. All right. So right here, guys, I'm just gonna mix this right into the flour. Get all the spices in there. You also a teaspoon of oregano inside this, guys, and the flour, and a teaspoon of dry thyme. And I'm just gonna crush a little bit of this cracked salt and black pepper and green pepper and some red pepper inside my flour. Mix that all in. Okay, guys, so I got the oil going right here. It's getting hot. I'm gonna start dipping my chickens right now. All right. So I like to do just a little bit of flour in it first. All right. And then I'm gonna get them inside the egg wash. Then they go back in the flour. I'm gonna get a nice crisp on the outside. Let's get them a nice twirl inside your egg wash. And then back in the flour. I'm just gonna put these right in my pan right here. So right now the oil is ready, guys. Just gonna get these beautiful pieces of chicken right inside. Gonna start them off like that. Cover that down, let them do their thing. These cocktail drumsticks, they're looking amazing, guys. Just gonna put them on a rack in this pan here to drain. Show you guys a little bit closer how beautiful these look. Lovely. Serve these with a nice sauce. Amazing. They're nice and crispy on the outside, guys. Beautiful. Nothing but love, guys. You gotta cook with love. Beautiful. So guys, this is the finished product of the cocktail chicken wings, chicken drumstick I should say, guys. They're looking beautiful and they're also tasty. The fries, they're amazing. Homemade fries. Wow. Those are good. You can see that nice crisp on the chicken right there. Turned out perfect. And I'm serving it with a nice pineapple sweet chili right there. Homemade also. So just want to say thanks for watching again. Keep on liking, sharing the videos. If you're new watching the channel right now, don't forget to subscribe. And guys, give me some likes. Don't forget to hit the like button, alright? Catch you in the next one.